Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. Today I have a special treat for my cutting video. I have a new toy. Say hello to my new toy. My wife found somebody who was selling their wet saw. Really nice, big, everything works on it. It folds up into this cool unit, and I'm gonna go set it up in the back and I'm gonna start cutting some big rocks. Got it all set up. I'm filling the tray with water. So it just kind of pops up. It only goes this high, so as long as this height's okay, we should be good. So I tested the blade and it works. So now I'm gonna test the pump to make sure that works. Because that's the one thing I wasn't able to check when I purchased it. And as long as that works, we got a heck of a good deal and it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get so many things cut. Here we go. I know the motor works. Does the water pump? Okay, it's pumping out of there. You know, it helps if you look at the graphics. So obviously the hose that's drawing in is supposed to be in the bottom. Then you got twist to the saw, twist to the one that washes everything off. Okay, here we go. And there we go. We're all set up, ready to go. I've got 3 right here. I've started wearing a mask for dust, particularly with the smaller one, but for this one I probably won't need it as much. But we got 3 rocks to cut here. We're gonna try this one. I'm excited for that one. I've been holding on to this one for a while. I can't remember if this was Red Hill. I mean, not Red Hill. Can't remember if this was Drum Mountain or the Little Moab area. I got some of the red agate from the swell and some of the jasper from the swell. Okay, these will be our first 3 try rocks. Let's do this. So another thing I really love about this saw is that it can go up and down too. So I was having a hard time just pushing it through. I think it was just kind of a little bit too big of a rock, and that's a very hard rock because this is agate jasper. So being able to kind of go up and down seems to be helping. So let's keep working with that. Okay, I just finished cutting it. I've not seen it. You've not seen it. Let's take a look at it together. Oh, hey, look at that jasper. Got a little bit of blue right there. Nice. Next up, let's try the red agate from the swell. I think it's mostly on the surface. I don't know if there's going to be much in it, but let's give it a shot. Oh, you can already see it's got some veins in it. Not a lot, but it has them. That's cool. Time for the jasper nodule. Okay, let's see it together. San Rafael Swell Jasper Nodule. Oh, it's a nice one. Look at that. Sweet. All right, for the last cut today, I'm just doing 4. We're just testing it out. This is some of the opal from the opal mine. This isn't one that I put in the video. I saw some there, and I was just curious if I cut deeper into it, if I'd find any. So, kind of like the nodules, I kept it just to see. So, let's give it a try. Okay, it's all open. That's cool, it shows the rhyolite. No, I don't want that piece. Cool looking rhyolite. I can confirm there is no precious opal. I didn't think so, but it was fun to give it a try. So I hope you enjoyed that. New toy. Gonna have a lot of fun with this. Looking forward to cutting more stuff. This was just a short one just to be like, look, I got a new toy. Anyway, until next time, remember there is treasure everywhere.